run SqlDB, and now all our tables inside our SQLite database have been migrated to MySQL database. Now the next thing we need to do is, okay, so let me open up this real quick. Now we need to clear the content type. So for that I'll copy this command. I guess I did something wrong. Yeah. So first we need to go to the shell, python manage.py shell. This takes us to the Django shell, and here we need to import this library, the content type library. So we are missing an F from Django.contrib content types.models import content type. Alright, so after importing this library, we need to delete all the content types so that the new ones will be created in the SQLite database. Content type dot objects dot all. So these are the content types that exist right now, so we need to delete them all. Now if we run the delete method, all of them are deleted, and to check that we can run this command again, and then we'll have 0 query sets. Now we'll exit, and then after this what we need to do is we need to load the data that we have added in the data.json. Alright, so it throws an error saying order history.objects.get. Here id.pk has none type object attribute and no pk, has no attribute pk. So I think we need to go to this file. So the file is crowd by email services, email signals. Alright, crowd by email services, email signals, and buy now signals. So the error we are getting is on this line, and it is saying it's none type, so we can check whether it is a null object or not. So for that we can have a condition here: if has attribute instance dot order id comma pk, then run this command. I think this should solve the problem. And by the time you are viewing this video, I might push these changes to the repository, so the next time you watch it the condition might already be there. So in that case you don't need to add it. Just check for this condition. If it's there, you don't need to add it anymore. Let me check it once again. Instance.order id. Alright, so now let's try to run this again. So the database has been changed to MySQL database now. We have successfully migrated the database. So now what we can do is we can go to our web application. Currently it is running on MySQL.